Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a day in my life vlog. I haven't filmed one of these in a really long time and I thought it would be fun to kind of show you guys what I've been doing at home lately. I have become quite the homebody and I really do like spending this time at home. So yeah, it is like 8 a.m. I'm gonna get some coffee and play some music and get in a good mood and probably change and then get started on work at like 10 or 11, but before that I'm gonna study because I have 2 tests to take today, which I'm not that excited about, but what can you do? I've always been in online school, so honestly nothing has really changed for me. I have a finance test and then I have a management test today. But first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and get some coffee. It got a little humid with the window open, so I turned my fan on, so sorry if you hear that in the background. But I'm ready for work today. I put some earrings on just because like why not? And I am actually gonna get started. I have some social media posts that I need to get done today. I think like 10 or 15 of them, and then I need to do some hashtag evaluation and just like work on the hashtag strategy for the brands that I do social media for, and then work on our Pinterest strategy for the brand that I do that for, and then also just kind of follow some leads that we have maybe to book some photography sessions, which I think is really cool. That's basically what I'm doing today. Pretty tedious work, so I'm gonna like listen to music and listen to podcasts. I actually might listen to the Armchair Expert. You guys probably know that I love that podcast if you've been watching me for the last year or two. It is 10:45 right now, so I have 4 hours of work that I'm gonna try and get done today. 4 or 5, depending on like just how long it takes to get everything done. Also, another thing that's really exciting is today my Nintendo Switch Lite is supposed to come in the mail, but I'm just gonna go ahead and get started on my work and stop procrastinating.
8:01 p.m.
Hey guys, so it is a while later. I don't even think I've checked in with you guys since I started working for the day, but it has been a long day. I literally worked until like 4 p.m. and then I just got ready and took my tests, and I did okay on the tests. Like I got an 80 on one and I got a 65 on the other, which happens, but thankfully in that class we have to take 4 tests and our teacher will drop the lowest grade, so that one is probably the one that's going to get dropped, which makes me so much happier. Sometimes that happens and that's life. And then I just ate dinner and I ate lunch too at some point in the middle of the day. What I'm coming on here to say is I wanted to kind of talk about just like, I don't know. Right now it's like a weird time. I'm trying not to get too specific because YouTube will demonetize it. They're censoring videos that talk about anything to do with basically like the virus, so that misinformation isn't spread on the internet and stuff like that. But I kind of just wanted to talk about like how I feel right now, because I feel like lately I've been super productive and like I'm usually at home all the time anyways, so not much has changed for me. But the fact that I literally can't like even go like hang out with my friends or get out of the house much really, and I also haven't even seen my boyfriend in like 3 weeks, I don't think. Like I just think it's really taking a toll on me. It's not even that I feel like sad or depressed, I'm just like bleh, you know what I mean? Like I get up and I feel like my days are all the exact same. I like get up, get ready, work, homework, and then that's like literally it every single day. I've been like quarantined at my house for 3 weeks now and it is getting to me. I don't know. I don't even know. It's like I don't want to be around people, but I do want to be around people, and I don't really know how to feel, and I don't really know what to do, and like what am I supposed to be posting on my Instagram? Like what am I supposed to be posting on my YouTube? I have no idea. I don't even know if this whole like ramble or rant makes any sense, but the fact of the matter is, if you are feeling some type of way because of everything that's happening right now, it is okay. It is okay to not want to do anything. It is okay to want to do everything. Literally how you react to the situation, like it's going to be different for everyone, and however you react is totally okay. We just have to take it day by day and find stuff that makes us happy. But yeah, I'm kind of done with that ramble thing. I don't even know what that was. I've decided that I'm gonna dye my hair rose gold or silver. I posted on my story because I'm bored and there's nothing to do and this will make good content. So I went on my story and I did a poll asking, should I do rose gold or silver? And literally 80% of you said rose gold and 20% of you said silver. So guess what? We're doing rose gold. I have these like things from Moroccan oil. This is what it looks like. It's really cool. It's like this temporary hair color, and this is just like a deep like leave-in conditioner, so this does wash out. It will completely come out of my hair, but I kind of thought it would be fun. And why not? Because I'm not going anywhere. I'm not doing any like business meetings. So out of boredom, we're dyeing my hair rose gold. Also, side note, my switch never came today, which makes me really sad, but hopefully it comes tomorrow. I'm gonna take off my makeup, and then the hair stuff says to do it like after you've washed your hair, so I think I'm just gonna do it in the shower. I think it did something, like a little bit, but I can't really tell because my hair is wet. So I'm just gonna let it air dry overnight, and I actually decided that I'm going to keep vlogging for a few days just to kind of show you like more days out of the week and kind of like what my life looks like right now. Okay, I'm gonna FaceTime JT. So I just got done FaceTiming JT and he's doing great. He's in Houston right now. We haven't actually got to see each other in a few weeks. I think I mentioned that earlier in the vlog, but I really miss him. But it's always nice to FaceTime him. And when we were FaceTiming, I was gonna dump all of the files from my memory card onto the computer so that because I had like some videos on my memory card that I wanted to edit and get up this week. And I realized I accidentally deleted all of the footage from 2 videos that I filmed that I was gonna upload this week. So that happened. Today was just like the Mondayest Monday ever. Like, I woke up in a weird mood because I had a weird dream, and then my Nintendo Switch didn't get delivered, and then I was like stressed about work, and I was just like, I felt weird. I don't know, I just like felt weird today. And then I accidentally deleted all of the files from 2 videos that I filmed. So it's just, you know, today is not my day. So I am just gonna go ahead and watch The Mentalist on Amazon Prime because that's the show I've been loving lately, and I'm gonna go to bed because today is just, it's canceled, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. I have crazy hair. So as you can see, I don't really know that that stuff did that much. There's like a few spots. You can kind of see some rose gold in my hair, but like right there, I don't know. It's pretty early. I'm gonna go ahead and make some iced coffee, and I wanted to show you guys how I make my iced coffee and like what I use because it tastes so good, and I feel like everyone needs to know. So let's go make some. Breakfast. It was delicious. I decided on a bagel today, and now it is time to get ready and fix this. So I've been getting ready for the day. I just did a really cool pink eye. I don't know, felt like it, and then the same face makeup I always do. Curled my hair a little bit and then put on just like a t-shirt and some bike shorts, and that is my outfit for today. Basically every day is just another version of a comfy outfit. I need to get started on my work for the day. I need to be doing some social media posts today. Yesterday I went through so many pictures of like couples from weddings, stuff like that, for the wedding venue I do social media for, and that took up most of my day because there was so many pictures. Yeah, so I'm checking here on my task list, and it just says I have to do social media for the hotel, the neighborhood that I do, and then the wedding band that I do. And then I'm just gonna work on some Pinterest stuff and I will be done. Today should actually be hopefully a shorter day than yesterday so that I can get some homework done. I actually really need to plan out my homework for the week because I haven't done that yet, and it's Tuesday. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Hey guys, so it is 12:30. I really need a snack and some water, so I'm gonna get some, but I propped up my laptop because my neck has been hurting again. So I just stacked it on this little drawer thing, and honestly, I feel great. I feel a lot better than I did yesterday, and I remembered to put on my blue light glasses, which yesterday I forgot. So that's probably another reason why I felt kind of crazy. I really want something crunchy, so I think I'm gonna have some of these banana chips for a snack. I am freezing.
2 hours later.
Okay, so it is 2 p.m. and I'm officially done with work for the day, so I need to go ahead and take an Instagram picture to post today, and I really want to take it in this outfit, so I'm gonna grab my tripod because I usually take all my own Instagram photos except for some of the ones that are used on like the DSLR. So I'm just gonna take this outside and I'm gonna go ahead and take my Instagram picture for the day. So I just made this beautiful chicken salad with pumpkin seeds and lettuce and salad and feta, and those are tomatoes. And I don't really know what dressing I'm gonna put on it yet, but it looks really good. How do you feel about me vlogging my food?
I don't care, I don't know. It's kind of funny though to just be standing here.
I like to...
Do we even have chili pepper? Because that's what I like to use. Or chili
What kind of
powder?
pepper? Chili? Yeah, we should.
Cayenne pepper? Where?
I mean, we should.
We might have run out.
Now that I'm done with lunch, I actually really need to get my planner ready for the week. I haven't done it yet because yesterday I took 2 exams and then I was like, done. So how I plan my week, I laid out my homework routine, so if you haven't seen that, I'll link it on the screen and down below for you guys. But basically I just go and like go online, find my syllabi, and then I'll go through them and see what I have to do for that week. Make sure I write it down for each class in this planner from Personal Planner. Love them. I do homework every single day of the week, like 7 days a week. I'd rather do like a little bit every single day and just be done with it. That way it's not like the only thing that's taking over my day, and for me that helps me get things done. It helps me stay more focused and helps me not feel crazy doing school and work and everything completely online.
Got 4 more coming. Yes. Do you want to put them on the top floor?
Wow. Beautiful.
That's lovely.
This is awesome. Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. It is the next day. Last night was so fun. We just got tacos and margs from Taco Cabana, me and my family, and then my siblings and I played some games, and then I FaceTimed my friend Brittany and JT and went to bed. Today's the next day. I made some coffee, got a little bit ready, just did my quick 10-minute makeup and then brushed my hair, and this is kind of what it looked like from yesterday. But today I actually really need to get some homework done because I just haven't done any in the last 2 days, and thankfully I planned everything out yesterday. So I'm going to read for a few hours, and then at 1 I'm going to start work for the day. So I'll be done with everything by 5, which will be so nice. And then I got an email, supposedly my Switch is supposed to be here today. Who knows? I've been waiting for it for like 3 days, so hopefully it gets here. I really hope it does. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, and I actually have a lot of just reading to do for school, so I'm gonna start reading my textbook. Yay! I feel like a lot of this vlog has been me at my desk, but that's kind of the way life is. So this is my Nintendo Switch. I'm so excited. It took like quite a long time to get here. I'm so freaking excited. I wanted the yellow one, so it took me a while to get it in the mail because it was sold out literally within like 200 miles of where I live. And literally, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's so awesome. The last like gaming device I had was my Nintendo, like, what was it? The Nintendo DS Lite. That is, yeah, that's it. That's the last thing that I had. I'm actually going to download Animal Crossing first because everyone told me I would like it. All of you guys on Instagram told me who have like a Switch or a Nintendo Switch Lite have been like, you need to download it. My boyfriend loves that game and he was like, you need to download it. And I'm just gonna download that before I go ahead and do my work for the day. So it'll like download and charge while I'm working. And then after I'm done working, I can go ahead and play my game. It's just so nice. This is what it looks like. Wow. Just wow. Actually going to open this package. This is from Ulta, and I got some new self tanner. I got the Sol by Jergens Sunless Tanning body mitt because I needed a new mitt, and this one had good reviews and it was cute and cheap. And then I also got the Loving Tan bronzing mousse, and I got medium. I usually get dark, but I didn't want to be that dark because it's only April, and I don't know, I thought this would be easier. And yeah, that's basically all I got in the mail. Now it is time for me to go ahead and do my work for the day, so I'm gonna get started on that. Hey guys, so it is a lot later. It is like 9 p.m. I just got done with work and homework for the day, and I am actually going to go take a shower and do my skincare routine. So I just got out of the shower. It was so much needed. I am so tired after today, but I'm gonna go ahead and brush my hair, and then I need to fold this laundry over here, and I'm gonna FaceTime JT while I do it. Hi babe. You look so cute. The last thing I'm going to do before I get in bed is take my CBD. This is the Kadara pharmaceutical grade CBD in lemon. I really love this CBD. I have the 1000 milligram. This brand was started by a cardiovascular nurse from Dallas, which I think is really awesome. Support local. It's local to my state. She sent this to me. I'll link her website down below. You guys should definitely go check it out. Also, I wanted to show you, I downloaded Animal Crossing today, and I also downloaded Donkey Kong onto my Switch. So I did start playing Animal Crossing, and I love it. It is so much fun, but I just downloaded Donkey Kong, so I'm gonna start playing that. I used to play Donkey Kong on the Nintendo 64, like way back in the day. So this one should be interesting. It's Donkey Kong Country Tropical Freeze. I don't know. I will keep you guys updated, but basically I'm just gonna play my Switch and then head to bed when I get tired. So thank you guys for watching these few days in my life. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Thank you if you made it to the end. And if you guys think I should be doing more vlogs like this, let me know down below. Let me know if you like single day vlogs, or if you like a few days, or if you want to see week in my life, or all of the above. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, but I will see you in my next video. Bye.